Yo, yo, yo. Just ain't right. Marco, AS. I'm so glad you got to see that. Keegan Murphy, DBT. The Trader Guy, Bob Means, Debt 5, Daniel Mid, Mark French, Mark Loftus, AS. Carl, I didn't go to sleep till like 6:30, by the way. After 6. Carlos Roa, Evan Cortez, Miss Goody. I look tired. Thanks, Miss Goody. I am tired. Wait till I get on. I'm still on this restream shit. So wait till I get on 1080p. You're gonna really see. You guys are gonna be calling me J Bags because of these. I got dime bags under my eyes. TB Trades, Anna, J Stores, Markman, Mr. Big Booty Judy, CT Trading, Case Soliman, Black Beauty Machine. Yeah, it's rough, man. It's rough. Rough trading this shit. Oh yeah, dude. What am I gonna do? Cry about it? It's not the first time. It's just been a while since I did something like that. Been a real long time. I'm still salty. I'm still pissed, but whatever. It is what it is. The show goes on. Dan Emmons, Coach Franny, Corey Ratcliffe, what up? Ace of Luck, Jonathan Trentwell, TJP, Gerald Joe, TD Trades, Ian Connor. Hell yeah. Evan Cortez. Evan Cortez got approved by Apex for $5K between 4 accounts. Great fucking job, bro. They don't pay their traders. Great job, man. Great job, dude. And you know what, bro? If you got denied on 1 or 2 of them or whatever, just keep trading them. That's all. That's what I did. I just kept trading. And all of a sudden, I started getting approved. You got to make the adjustment. They have their rules. They change their rules. We don't have to agree with them. Make the adjustment. That's all. Got to put my ring on for the ladies, let them know that I'm taken, okay? I'm taken, guys, girls. Joe, what up? Great job, Evan. Super happy for you, bro. You're going to get them. Well, it's Friday, so that sucks because you would have, like, if it was Thursday, that money would hit Friday morning. Like, you would wake up and you'd be like, holy shit, there's the money. Jamila, the real NV, the Trader Guy. What I miss? Gino. Jamila always laughs at my dumb, stupid jokes. I love it. I love it. I need someone to laugh at my stupid. Jamila and Miss Goody always laughing at my stupid ass jokes. It's the best. Thank you guys. You guys make me feel better about my life sometimes. Yeah, it's not like the rules aren't impossible. The rules aren't impossible. It just, just be aware of them. You just got to make the adjustment. All of these prop firms are changing their rules. Even Bolinox has a fucking inconsistent position sizing rule now. Bolinox. And all they had before that was just what did they have? Like, I think all they had was a 40% consistency rule that you had to worry about. Now they have that. So they're all changing their rules. I'm just logging into my accounts so I can show you guys what's going on. What else we have here? What else do we have here? There was some we didn't do it, Joe. There was a big we didn't do it, Joe. And then there was a not as big we did it, Joe. So there's a couple of things that you guys will get to see as soon as I turn my screen sharing on. I know you guys don't want to look at my my big honker of a nose. Thanks, Mom and Dad, for that. Turn the screen sharing on. Yeah, I have by Monday. When I start streaming again on either Sunday night or Monday, I will have either Streamlabs or OBS for the 1080p. I'm done with Restream. But yeah, now my screen's on. Where do I start? HR, what up? JC Trade, thank you, HR. Coach Varma, Isle Boy. The Isle Boy, man. Trades by Slade. Slade. You got the improper risk management. Yeah, dude. Do you know? Can you pinpoint what it is? Like, do you know? If you don't know, like, if you can't look at a certain trade and say, yeah, I definitely went down more than 30% of my drawdown. Where do I start here? Yeah, I'll start in this one. Just want to see if you guys notice anything. Tell me if you notice anything. I got to turn all these on though. If you can't pinpoint, exactly. So there you go, Slade. There it is. You know exactly what trade it was. If you couldn't pinpoint a certain spot that you went down more than 30%, bro, yeah, at least you admit it though. Some people just say, I got denied and that's it. You know? You could do that. Yeah, you could do that, but I don't. You see me, I'm just trading the accounts every day. Just trade them. I don't know. That's up to you. But that is what you have to do. The minimum is $50 a day for at least 5 days, and then you could flip. But I don't know. Because then you might put pressure on yourself just to get that $50. I'm trying to eliminate the amount of pressure I put on myself when I'm trading these accounts. And I put some pressure on myself last night with some Apex accounts, and I paid for it. I was right fucking there too. Gary, what up? You can't trade micros and minis at the same time? What difference does it make if they're both long or both short? Joe, yeah. No, I still got that. Joe, I just bought a fucking. I don't know if you're familiar with I don't know if you're familiar with like Engelhard. Whoops, wrong camera. Engelhard, like if you're familiar with like the vintage stuff, let me know if you are, because I just bought a 10-ounce bar for $950. A 10-ounce bar, where spot right now is what, 31.55 or $31, or maybe even lower than that. I don't know if gold and silver are dumping. Yeah, he got denied, just ain't right, but he knows why. He knows exactly why. Bob means they're not going to. They put that stuff in place for a reason. 10 ounces of silver for $950. One bar. Very rare bar. What up, Peter Schapp? Coach Mike is in the building. ELQ, what up? I don't know. I mean, that's why I just trade my accounts. I just keep moving forward. Let's go, Brandon. I blew the funded. I got literally, Peter, I got fucking, the market reopened. I thought we were at the bottom, and we went down a little bit more, and I was over leveraged, and I blew out the rest of the drawdown I had. And what's funny is as soon as I literally, just like I got bottom tick during the were you on the stream yesterday when I got bottom ticked with my takeprofittrader account? Same fucking thing happened. I got bottom ticked, the account got blown, and then it fucking pumped for hours. So it sucks. And then I got a 50K, blew that during NFP, and then I had this 150K. I got another 150K I want to get, but I got this up to 2,225. So it sucks. It sucks. It hurts. And that's just another thing. Like, for whatever reason, I just put this extra pressure on myself. I could trade my Apex accounts great, but the Take Profit Trader account, I don't know what it is, bro. Yeah, it fucking sucks. Alfred, what up? NFP Day J. Oh, yeah. Yo, what up? What up, Boogie Down? Yeah, I didn't buy. I'll show you a picture of it. I'll show you a picture of the silver that I bought. Actually, I have to send the guy the money. Let's see. What is that? All right. Hold up. I'm taking a picture of this thing so you can see it, Joe. We did it, Joe. All right, so that's that account. This is what I did in my myfundedfutures account. After I blew my funded take profit trader account, I got my third day of $100 or more in. So I got 3 days of $100 or more locked. I need 2 more days, and then I can request what will be my 4th payout if I get there. And then I didn't trade this. I want to trade this a little bit today. I just don't know which way we're going. We're kind of back to chopping after the market absolutely pumped. Holy shit, right here. 440 to 669, 220 points, 230 points. Hang on a sec. Let me, 1 sec. I want to make sure there's nothing in my text messages. All right, cool. You know, I might have sent a risque picture to my wife or something, you know? Don't want that showing up on the stream. Then everybody's going to be like, "Oh my God, Jay, you really are a grower, not a shower." Oh my God. Yo, all right. So this is what Joe, if you're still here, this is what I picked up for $950, 10 ounces of silver. But this particular series of this bar has less than 50, less than 50, whatever, less than 50 ever minted. So it's very rare. So I'm gonna list it on eBay for like $1,400, $1,500, and just wait for someone to buy it. And until they buy it, it's mine. Here's my Apex account, guys. We did it, Joe. We blew some accounts. Last night I was trading these. I had 3 of these over. The issue was one of them was a little bit further behind. I had 3 of the 4 over 2,600. I wanted to request payouts on all 4 of them. I wanted to request payouts on all 4 of these. And I was there. I was right there. I had 5 chances. I was in 5 different trades where I was locking in gains. The accounts were growing, and all I had to do was hold. All I had to do was hold just a little bit longer, 5 fucking times, and I didn't get filled. And then my take profit got hit after I got taken out every time. And then I tried going, and then I put in a long order at a certain spot, and I canceled it. And then the market pumped like 50 points, 40, 50 points. And I started going against it. And at that point, I was already on full tilt. I was completely fucking tilted. And I embarrassed the shit out of myself in front of like 180 people that were on the stream. YouTube knows when you're really about to lose your shit. And it basically puts your stream in front of everybody when it's about to happen, right before it happens. They fucking know. But then I traded these other accounts. So yeah, I went from 10 to 6. That's why I don't copy trade with every account. That's why I would recommend against copy trading all of your accounts at the same time, guys. This is exactly why. And then during NFP, I tried to pass this eval that I had sitting in here, but whatever. It didn't work. So that's that with Apex. But look at these 3 accounts, 13, 14, and 16. These 2 are in max payout land. I don't even know how many days I need. Maybe 1 or 2 more days. 1 or 2 more days to trade these. And then this one I just got paid on. These 2 I got denied on previously. I got denied previously like last week before Thanksgiving or right on Thanksgiving. I don't fucking remember. It was last week sometime. And this one I got paid. My first payout approval under the new rules. So these are looking great. So, you know, I potentially can go from being denied for like $500 or $600 on these 2 each to being approved for $2,000 each. You know what I'm saying? So that's why you don't just walk away from this shit. And then 117 and 118, these I got paid on also. These are the ones I got paid on. And then the day I got paid on, remember that day I had that $4,100, I lost $4,100 in PA 115 during the stream? I love embarrassing myself. That was the same day I lost $788 on these 2 after getting paid. And I got that all back and then some. So these are moving in the right direction. Like I got a ways to go. I still have like, I think I got like 5 more days I have to trade these, but hey, they're growing. All I can do is just grow the accounts. So that's what I'm doing. So that's that. I told you my funded futures. I told you take profit trader. And then I did this. We finally got my trade day account going. My trade day account is now live. My funded trade day account, as you can see, it says funded. And I did 250 bucks. That was yesterday. Remember, not remember, but I did this and I did this after I blew my takeprofittrader account. So like, yeah, it's easy to just fucking hate the world and shut down and just like shut everything and just say fuck it, or just go into full blown destructive mode. But I could have done that. But you know what I did? I just fucking took a couple of deep breaths. I did some breathing and relaxing. You know, I was taught that by Jan over at Apex to just breathe and relax. I did some of that. Took some deep breaths, some relaxing deep breaths. And then I locked in day 3 on my myfundedfutures account. I got a good quality day in on my first day trading my new funded trade day account. So whatever, shit happens. I fucked these up. That was during the overnight. I had it in the bag. All I had to do was hold 5 different fucking times. And then the 6th time was all I had to do was not cancel the order. If I didn't cancel the order, I would have been good. But whatever, shit happens. And then you know what else I did? I passed my Top Step account. One trade. Got it. I needed like 1,400 and change. Well, I needed a little bit over 1,400, and I passed this Top Step account. I don't know if you can see that. Now this Top Step account is passed. I haven't even traded this thing in like a week. So now I'll have a funded Top Step account. So I'll have a funded Top Step account, right? I still have 6 Apex funded accounts. 2 are in line for $2,000 payouts. Another one's about to be in line for a $2,000 payout. Like, whatever. What am I going to do? I have a funded myfundedfutures account. I have a funded trade day account. So I have 6, 8. I'll have 9 funded accounts on Monday. So all is not lost. Shit happens. Get used to it. You're going to blow accounts, guys. Dumb shit's going to happen. I am the bottom. I've always been the bottom tick king, Coach Varmer. Julio Freeman. Michael Gianos, what up? Vince. She said hold for one more. Yeah, I know. She told me to hold. Man, story of our lives, right? Right, fellas? I'm sure not all of you. I'm sure some of you guys could hold for, hours. Black Beauty Machine, yeah. Yeah. Of course they call you crazy. When people start calling you crazy and saying shit like that, or like, oh, get your tinfoil hat on, that means you're heading in the right direction and you're onto something, or you're just right. When everybody else tells you you're fucking crazy. Just like everybody told me I was crazy. Not everybody, but a bunch of people told me I was crazy to keep trading with Apex after being denied 8 times in a row. Then you're never going to get paid again, Jay. Okay. Well, I just got paid $1,745 in a week. Micah, I don't think the consistency rule resets. After the payout. After the payout, it does, but you have to, like, this account right here, like, we're not doing shit. This account right here, 115, I need to grow this fucking thing to $6,910 in profit. I was $1,500 away before I lost 4,100 in one day, but I need to grow that to, I don't even want to request. I mean, I need to get it back over to request, but I think I still need to grow it to $6,910 because I violated the shit out of the consistency rule. Oh, did you really, Julio? Oh, man. Didn't you tell me? Weren't you the one who told me that DCAing never works? And you DCA'd, bro. I think that was you, bro. Come on. Damn, bro, that sucks. I feel for you, man. Just like you feel for me, I feel for you right back. Damn. Eric J, what up? Fade J. We did it, Joe. Ali. Joseph, what up? Hey, you held it with 2 hands? Sometimes you got to hold it with 2 hands. Knock, knock. Mr. Begbeef, Soli the Borno. What's up, guys? We did it, Joe. Living that grumpy life. Have I figured out? Dude, I'm going to look right now. They annoy me. I'm gonna log in right now and look, because I gotta always hit them up to ask them to change it. I think they're doing 90% off too right now. Yeah. So that's that. They replied to me. Well, they only have Mr. Grumpy, I would wait, man. They're only doing 75% off right now. The best deal you could get is 75% off. If you need to grab a new Bullinox account and you want to get 75% off, because that's the most they offer, just put in this code for Bullinox. And thank you for the support, man. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to grab, I don't know if Apex is still on. They're still on the basically no sale. 50% off is what they're offering right now. Yeah, I think Apex is only 50% off. If you need to grab some accounts, you can get 50% off. I would wait until they do 80% again. I think it's, like so spoiled with 80% for those of us who like to get Apex accounts. $5.96 since your last day. $5.96. I don't think you're gonna have an issue with consistency, Micah. P shenanigan, Newts. It's fucking funny. Qsker, is that Oscar or Qsker? Looks like it. Hold on, is that a 0? Is that an O or a Q? I think that's a Q. How much did Top Step? That's a great question. How much did Top Step lose on their house account today? It's a great question, guys. Look, Tukey got his approved. Tukey requested 20K from Apex and got approved. Apex doesn't pay their traders. $20,000 right there, baby. Is that your first? Are those your first requests? Great job. Hey, pound that confetti like roast beef for Tukey. 20K. Wait, who else got approved for 5K? Who got approved for 5K? Who was that? Was that Martin? Hold on, let's see. Wait. We got to pound the confetti for both of you guys. Like roast beef. Oh, Evan Cortez. Pound the confetti like roast beef for Evan Cortez and for Tukey. That's 25 grand across 2 different traders. From Apex. Fuck yeah. Great job, guys. Mikey, what are we doing? I don't know, man. I'm waiting. Nothing's really happening. Fuck yeah. Diggity Daz, what up? Bangers, what's good? Oh yeah, Martin. Yeah, I had you confused with Evan Cortez. But Martin, you got 32K last month in the beginning of the month, which is awesome. So Ace of Luck got approved for 4K. Pound that confetti like roast beef from Apex. From Apex. See? Just don't violate the rules, guys. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah, Tukey. You just got to have your clean days now. Great fucking job, guys. Great job, everyone. What? I don't know. I think she might be. But I'm not sure. JC Trade. Fuck yeah, guys. Super happy for you. Oh, okay. Mismatching stockings. Very nice. Very nice. You going to wear some pants over those stockings? My 13-year-old daughter is, sometimes people might look at her and not think she's 13, if you know what I'm saying. Eric J, you guys should, like Eric J said, you guys should have just walked away. You guys should have just walked away like everybody, like people were saying to. Because Apex won't ever pay traders again. You'll never get paid. Funny, right? Funny how that works. You still got 30K? Damn, bro. Hell yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. No improper risk management by those guys. ChatGPT says in-house account is SIM. What are you talking about? Yeah, I thought so too. The live in-house account. There's no way they're losing that much money every fucking day, and it's real money, and they're laughing about it. There's no fucking way. Could you imagine losing that much money and just laughing it off every fucking day? Dildzik finally got 5 days of 200 plus on his XFA. That a boy. Pound the confetti for Dildzik. He's about to get a payout. Did you do 200 plus exactly? Or you got like $1,700 in there or some shit? Whatever it is, dude, just request. Just request, get some money, and then try to build the account again. I made that mistake. Is this the breakout here? Fuck. I don't even want to be in this. I don't even want to trade these accounts anymore. What do I want to focus on? I wanted to focus on this. This thing, 27. Yeah, good shit, man. Have I passed the 50K myfunded futures in a day? Yeah, I've done it before. You got to get, you need, it doesn't know, obviously it doesn't have to be in one trade, but you need, if you go full port, which is only 3 minis, you need 50 points, 50.25 points, which is a lot, but it's doable. I've done it. Like, I've had this 100K for weeks now because some days I just don't trade it. Other days, like I was up about this much and then I gave back. I hit the daily loss limit and gave it all back. I didn't hit the daily loss limit. I was up like 3,100 or 3,300 and I was down $2,000 the other day. And I ended up finishing down 1,400 on the day. And I worked it back up since then, but I haven't even touched it yet. But that was a nice little pop there. 15 points there. From this is where we're up since Power Hour started. We're up 30 points since Power Hour started. What up, Mo Trades? JP, common sense isn't very common. That's right. They're not allowed. Well, nobody knows if it's sim, JP. We don't know for sure. We don't know. They call it a live account. Imagine being down that much every day. How much are they down today? Does anybody know? Yeah, waiting for this algo candle. I mean, it makes sense that it's kind of rejecting over here. We got a little bit of resistance here. This is the high a day. Is this a new high? This is a new high, right? Is this a new all-time high? Hold on a sec. We did hit a new all-time high. Holy shit. Jesus, man. New all-time high. Fucking crazy. Wild. Oh yeah, 3 minis and 30 micros at the same time. You know what, Jamila? I've done that. I didn't know, like, I know they technically don't want you doing that, so I don't. And I did that in one of my funded accounts, like early on when I first got it, because you could only trade a 50K, 1 mini and a 50K, but you could still get in with 10 micros. And I did it a couple times. Like, I don't know. I feel like if I keep doing this, I'm going to get denied a payout if I ever get to one. So I stopped. Because I don't, I would hate to get the account grown and I'm like, oh shit, I locked in a payout. Let me request it. And it gets denied because I was playing games with, with their rules. Who doesn't want you trading news on evals? Micah. MyFunded Futures? Oops. You know who doesn't want you trading rules on evals? News on evals? Trade Day. Trade Day says not to trade. You can't trade rules. They have a 2-minute rule. 2 minutes before, 2 minutes during, and 2 minutes after. So you don't want to be a 2-minute man with Trade Day. I need coffee. I say this stuff because my wife's in the room and I want to get a reaction from her. It's like one of my favorite things to do is to get her. I tell her, one day your head's going to shake permanently this way because she's always shaking her head at me. There she is. Oh, yeah. Woo! Look at those sweatpants.
Oh, my God.
There she is. Yeah, that's right. Walk away from me. Like, say you're holding a baby.
I know. My hair is crazy. Show me on the street.
Yeah. That's right. Oh, take that hair down.
Well, you showed me looking like I have a comb over.
Stewart Curry, what up? You got the invite to the futures desk today? Nice. Let us know how it goes. Keep us posted. Trading Star. Oh, you could do it during the eval, but not in funded? Good to know, Jamila. Thanks for letting me know. Tukey, I would say, especially now that you're playing with, I mean, that's fucking some serious house money you're about to have. I mean, without knowing how much tuition you've paid, but it's none of my business. The bottom tick king. I'm the bottom and top tick king. Didn't you read my book, How to Guess Your Way to Habitual Payouts? Chapter 177. I would say, I mean, best bang for your buck. Right now, takeprofittrader is doing 40% off any size test account, $0 activation fee. And if you get to a payout, they will refund 100% of your initial test fee. So let me drop my link in the chat because I haven't yet. Tell us your thesis. My thesis is no thesis, baby. 40% off, $0 activation fee. Also, myfunded futures, you could get a 50K myfunded futures count for as little as $76 and there's no activation fee. You're already with Apex, so you don't need to worry about that. You got a bunch of accounts. And they're not doing any like crazy promotion right now. Zero activation fee, 100% of your test fee refunded after you get your first withdrawal. I'm just, let me see here. I'm just dropping my link in the chat because I haven't done that really. I haven't dropped my link in the chat really at all. Just use coupon code ZERODAYJAY if you want to support the channel. It is the best coupon code in the world, according to the prop firm streets. Mr. Reading's the reason I have my Reading started the whole no thesis movement because he came on like for the first time and was like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Because I probably was having a rough time trading that day. What was that, like 2 months ago, 3 months ago? And ever since then, hashtag no thesis was born. We have Reading to thank for that. Reading, the easy thing I could say to you is just don't hit the daily. It's the daily loss limit you're worried about, right? Just don't hit the daily loss limit. It's that easy, guys. But shit happens. We guess our way in. We guess our way out. Here's my link for myfunded futures. You could get 5% off any size starter and eval account, but only if you use the ACH option. Weird, I know. If you're gonna choose one or the other, I would say use starter. Also, they're about to raise their prices in January, so now might be a good time to load up on these accounts, like the starter, especially the starter account. They might. I don't know if they're gonna add an activation fee. Like I have no idea. But right now it's 5% off. You could get a 50K starter account for $76 with the ACH option. Otherwise, it's $80. But if you want to support the channel and you're going to pay with crypto, debit, or a credit, put my code in anyway. You won't get a discount, unfortunately, and that goes for everybody's code, not just mine. That's just how they're doing it. And then if you want to go for the milestone accounts, you could get 10% off the milestone account still with any payment method. Best code for takeprofittrader, Apex, myfunded futures, trade day, 20% off trade day is ZERODAYJAY. Coach Durrell, why are they always changing? Because the industry is changing. Yeah, just ain't right. Yeah, like Reading, I don't know, bro. Like, If you're still here, dude, what size account are you trading? What size account are you trading with TakeProfitTrader? Give us some more information. Start off your entry with Dear Diary. Well, what should I write in there? Dear Diary. I don't know if it's going to drop. 50s. The 50s are tough, man. Because if you make, all it takes is for you to, maybe you should go with smaller size. You size up a little bit in a trade that's going against you. All it takes is one little burst against you even further, and you hit the daily loss limit. That $1,100, like, the more and more I trade the 50Ks, the more and more I like them. The less and less I like them is what I mean. Maybe go with the 100K. Yeah, and that's the other thing. Like Angus, he came close to hitting the DLL, and then he was like, fuck, I got to stop. You got to cut yourself off too. Just know, like, cut yourself off knowing that you could trade again tomorrow. That's the other thing. Just maybe get a bigger size account, or either size down or get a bigger size account. Or really wait. Really pick and choose your spots where you're going to trade. Yeah, Daz. I grab the 50Ks every once in a while because they are, like, look, the 50Ks, like, in terms of the buffer, right? You only need to go over 2,000 to work yourself to a pad. You go to like 2,250 or 2,500. You can request $500. So it's the easiest path. It's the shortest. Don't ever go with a 25K. Let's just pretend that 25K doesn't even exist. That's why the 50K, I'll take my shot with a 50K every once in a while. But today I hit the fucking daily loss limit with the quickness because of non-farmer payroll. Well, obviously I shouldn't have been trading that account, but it's just tough. I would do the 100K. You have 2,200 to draw down of daily loss limit. Your daily loss limit is $2,200. The 150K is my favorite. You get 3,300. But the issue with these two is you got to go up 6,000 to pass. You got to go up 9,000 to pass this, and then the buffer is higher. But you have more room. You have more margin for error. Yeah, exactly. The 100K is only 3K. That's not bad. That's what she said. Size matters. Exactly. You know what? Actually, Coach Single Mother, it's not the size of the hammer. It's how you throw it at the nail that matters most. Ain't that right, Melissa? That's the name of the person's profile. It's probably not even a woman. Oh my God. Mr. Taylor. Do you pass once you hit the cash value or the next? What do you mean? Oh, when you pass, like, are you talking about like an eval? What up, Eric K? Yeah, if you're only trading a micro or two. But man, if you were in a micro or two and you got up to P right when non-farm payroll fucking dropped, you would have blown that account if you went the wrong way. You got to be coming with the big sledge. Oh my God. Traders each, get ready for the drop. I hope. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, you just gotta. Yeah, to pass, you gotta hit the profit target, whatever the profit target is to pass, and then you got to make sure you exit all of your trades. Like on Tradeovate, you could just exit market. You could do this, or you could go right click and then exit all positions, cancel all. That completely like flattens the account. New all-time high incoming. Yeah. So, yeah, let's take a little poll. Which way are we going? Up or down from here? Let me know what you guys think. Why is the video falling? And I don't know. That's interesting because NVIDIA usually pulls up. Yeah, a face ripper in one way or the other, right? Scooby Curry. I mean, we haven't been able to get back up. We blew our load up here, and then we haven't been able to get it back up ever since. Sometimes the market needs more time. You know what I'm saying, guys? I keep turning my head because I keep looking at my wife in the other room. Sometimes we need some more time, guys, right? Oh, man. What about Apple? Maybe Apple's keeping it up? What's Apple at? Oh, Meta? Where's Apple at? Damn, Apple's at $243. Holy shit. Apple hasn't moved at all today. It's only down like 0.05%. You said Meta's pumping? Fucking crazy. How is crazy? Crazy. I remember when the IPO hit and Meta was at $40. You guys remember when Facebook was at $40? What's Coinbase out now? I'm curious about Coinbase. 343. Interesting. Man, Coinbase is approaching IPO numbers. Fucking crazy. All right, let's close this shit out. Black Beauty Machine. My wife is cool. She puts up with me. Esther, DXY is falling. What is that, the dollar? Trending world. Yeah, they only go up. You know why? Because inflation goes up. Everything's going up with inflation. James, not sustainable? Yeah. Just remember when the politicians brag about stocks reaching all-time highs, that just means that everything's costing us more because of inflation. What, of Coinbase? K. Soliman? Damn, bro. Or what? Which one? Is it Coinbase or Meta? Which one? %58% Meta. Nice. At what? At 96? Damn, bro. Good shit. You know what you should do? You should say, fuck that kid and take that money, keep it for yourself. Fuck them kids. 58%. Say up. We might double. Oh, man. Double bottom right here. I'm scared. This is the dumbest fucking thing to do. You know why? Yeah. You know what I'm going to do? Oh, man. Double bottom is about to confirm. Fuck it. Let's take a trade. I'm going to regret this in about 40 seconds. I'm going to regret this. Let me see if I can get out before then. Look at this double top. I said double bottom, double top. I meant here. It just needs to get lower than this, where my entry is. Basically, it needs to get lower than my entry to confirm. I probably should have waited until that happened to get in, put an order down a little lower, but here's what I'll do. I'll put another one down there in case it does actually do that. Lock in some gains here, potentially. Let's see. Right here. Uh-oh. Of course it goes the other way. It filled me. Isn't that fucked up? It filled me down here. So the double bottom confirmed, the double top confirmed, and then we went the other way. That shit always fucking happens to me. But I said, I'm going to regret this. But it's funny. I got filled at like 44 and it went down to 37, 36, 37. Yeah, I know the algo candle. It could have algoed down. It could have went down. Shit always fucking happens. Filled you like Peter North. Peter North is a shower and a grower. Don't fade us. Listen. The trade was green. The trade was green for a hot second. And then that fucking I said I'm going to regret this. I knew it was going to happen. But I was hoping for the confirmation of the double top. I mean, it was right there. And then what did it do? It bounced right off of kind of support, a little bit of support here. It bounced off of. Whatever. This account is just yo-yoing around anyway. What's another day of having to trade this account? I'll tell you one thing. If I end up blowing this account, I'm going to reset it because, you know, you're with my funded futures impending rule changes in January. Whatever you have is still going to apply. Like, you can still keep the old accounts. You just got to keep them, like keep paying the fee or whatever. Now we got a triple top. I hope you guys took your profits. We'll see what happens. I don't know. I have a feeling it's going to go back up. Yeah. See that? Let's make it worse. What's up, Kellyanne? Gary, maybe. I don't think they're changing rules. They're just changing pricing. They're changing pricing. I don't know if they're not changing rules. They're just changing their pricing. You know, Matt Leach is, you know, he's good like that. He'll tell you it's all, you know, they use the word sustainability. All of these prop firms change rules and pricing and all that shit for survival. And the ones that don't adapt fast enough are the ones that end up rug pulling because they can't, unless it's intentional. Like, it seems like Fast Track was fucking intentional at this point, but the way fucking Scott, and then Scott decides to show his face in Discords. What a fucking crazy fuck. Talk about a fucking sociopath. But, you know, they do this for sustainability. It's so they can stay in business and keep the fucking, you know, keep the train moving. You know, Matt literally came out and said when he got rid of the that 25K milestone account was a really good deal. And they were offering like 25% off the 25K milestone account, which is the straight to funded. He killed it early. It was supposed to go until the end of November, I think. It was like a beta test. He got rid of it early because he said we were losing money on it. That's why a lot of this stuff, you know, that's why stuff changes because, you know, we're getting better as traders. We're getting better, you know, and they need to stay, you know, if they want to continue keeping, you know, staying in business and keeping the lights on, you know, they got to make it a little more challenging for us or raise their prices. Yeah, I mean, that's John. That's, I mean, how else? You know, there's only a very small percentage of traders that go live that they could get their little cut on, right? They get a 90-10 split or 80-20 split or whatever it is. Very small percentage of people actually go live. Most of us are just paper trading and we'll always be paper trading. Yeah, ELQ, pass it before the end of the year. Pass that shit before the end of the year. All right, now I'm learning. Ah, you fucking motherfucker. You fucking bastard. What am I in? Fucking 5? Awesome. That's why I'm not trading any funded accounts. I'm done with all my funded accounts. Wishful thinking. I don't think it's coming down. I think I'm fucked. Look, the double top did confirm, but then the fucking algo candle hit and it fucking said, fuck you, double top confirmation. Probably any other time a day, it would have kept going down. What up, Andy? Yeah, new pricing. They didn't tell us what the pricing is yet. New pricing structure, January 1st. They might keep the no activation fee. I hope they do because that's a great selling point. It's a great fucking deal. They might make the price of the accounts, instead of $80 for a 50K starter, maybe it's 125, but still no activation fee. Who knows? I don't know what they're going to do. I have no idea. They're working out the metrics. They got to figure it out. Which is the next prop firm rug pull 7 money bag? I mean, name one. Probably I'm leaning towards Profit Trade. Profit just did rug pull a bunch of people by retroactively changing their rules, thus terminating people's accounts that all of a sudden were in violation. Very fast track. You would think that Scott and Sage are fucking running Profit. That was very, very much like fast track. Profit Trade's in trouble right now. I hope they figure it out and get out of it, but they're not looking good. Of course, yeah, Elaine. Of course, they're going to close the week with a new all-time high. Whatever. I don't even care. That's fine. When this hits the daily loss limit and I still have the account, I'll just move over to the takeprofittrader account. Yeah, a lot of people are waiting a while for Profit Trade. I saw the email that they put out, and they're blaming it on people like me talking about it. Don't listen to the people on social media. They're blaming it. You know who they're not? They're blaming it on bad actors that are gaming the system. That's the only reason why they don't have enough money. No, it's called you didn't have enough. You didn't build. You should have came in with a big bankroll to fucking sustain all that. You didn't think people were gonna try to game your shit? It's only been like what, 3 months? Oh man, I could have gotten out of this. I could have gotten out of this only down like $300. Can we fucking flush one time for the stream? No? 30 seconds left. Was it going to just fucking shoot up here? Whatever. That's why I fuck around during this time, but it's the worst fucking time to trade. It's a talk about guessing. Dump it. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Let's go. Oh my God, do it. I'm not letting it get out of control again. Oh, I was green for like a split second. I was green. What was I green by? 3 points? Damn, I should have taken the $300. Should have taken the 300 smackers, guys. Oh, shit. Welcome home, Les. You don't profit. We don't pay. New slogan. Come on, keep going. Oh, there's one. There's one. Don't fade me. Oh, man. That's fine. Hey, look who's green. Hey. Hey. It's probably going to go down more, but I don't care. I'm up $231. Woo! There's 2 million, boogie down. There's 2 million sitting in Rise. We just got to send it to each other and make it like we're paying people. Just be patient, guys. Everyone gets paid here. Wait, watch it take out all my other take profits. My other orders. 642 is next. 631, 627. It's coming. We did it, Joe. Yeah, here it comes. Premature estopulation right there, guys. But you know what? That's what happens psychologically to me because I got in. I was right, kind of right, but at the wrong time. Not even right because look, it's basically testing this. That's a big triple top. But man, you know what's interesting about what I'm looking at right now? We might go back up. We might go back up. If we don't go down, we're going to go up. You know what I'm saying, guys? Uh-oh. It's only 2. I got some house money to play with. It's probably going to, now that I'm in long, it's probably going to take out my other take profits that I was in short. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here comes the next take profit that I had in that I canceled. Always. Always. It did look like it might want to go back up. I saw one of these fucking, one of those harmonic M's, but I don't think it matters anymore. I don't think it gives a fuck. There's one. 42. What's next? 31. 31 is next. I should have held. I love when I take out profits too soon. I took out at 48. It's down 7 points. I love it. Is it going to clear that wick? You love to see it. Excuse me. Forgot I was on the stream for a second. Good thing I didn't rip one. Scooby, I was short. I was short until I wasn't. I'm just curious if it's going to hit my fucking take profit. My other take profits. I had, what did I have? $42 I canceled. 31 I canceled. 21 I canceled. What am I in 3? I wish I added more. I wish I had more hands. I'll protect the bag. I have 5 minutes. Whatever. Oh, I'm down. Did I just get bottom ticked? Dump it. Are you serious? Are you fucking serious right now? That would happen to me. That would fucking happen to me. Whatever. What the fuck ever. What else is new? So I was right. I was right every fucking time, and I just played it completely wrong. Fuck it. Let's make it worse. Is this going to go all the way back up now? Yeah, Steve Paul. Yeah, it seems that way, bro. That's why I'm done with all my funded accounts. This is a fucking eval, but I had it. I was green by a few hundred, and I was right with the short. I just had to add. I had to suffer through this for a little bit, and then all I had to do was hold. I got out of here, and it went down. It went down another, 13 points. I could have just held all of that and been up $1,200 or whatever. Yeah, Scooby Curry, of course. Let's see if it goes back down. Look at the millions we paid out. Of course we're liquid. Yeah. Famous last words. Johnny, is this? I don't know, man. I have 2 minutes to get out of this fucking trade. Can we go down a little bit? Whatever. I'm just gonna hold it until I get liquidated, and then I'll move on to my takeprofittrader account. But I was right on the long, and I got stopped out. What did I get in here? 38. It went up to 45, but I got taken out. It dropped. Just dumb shit. Just dumb shit. This is, there's no volume now. It's the end of the week. This market's been fucking really hard to trade. Well, that's why, I didn't risk it with any fucking funded accounts. I was done for the day with my funded accounts. On Monday, I'll have a new Top Step funded account. I have I got my first day of trading with Trade Day in. There's no day requirement with Trade Day. I just have to get over the buffer. So I'm $251 closer to it. And then, I got my third day of $100 or more with this account. See, here's my problem. I don't hold long enough. My stops were too tight. I didn't fucking hold. And I got fucked for it. I got burned for not holding. That's what happens to me. Yeah. It's about to get folded in 11 seconds. Whether I like it or not. There we go. I'm out. All right. I only lost $345 on the day. Could have been worse. Anyway, moving right along. Shit happens, guys. Execution is super important. I was pretty much right in every one of those trades, and I just executed them poorly. And there's a lot of facets of execution. It's not just there's your entry, there's the timing, Sometimes I get those wrong. Sorry, I'm sending someone money. I'm sending I'm sending someone. Nah, I'm paying for that bar before. He's got to go to the post office. He wants to go to the post office and drop it off for me. Boom. Sorry, guys. This isn't moving at all anyway. Well, am I gonna get filled on this fucking thing or what? We're green. We're green, guys. We did it, Joe. Sorry, Boogie Down. I had to send somebody some money. I need to concentrate when I'm doing that. Kellyanne, they're only $100 for a new screen. You got Kellyanne, you got it. I think you're doing okay. What up, Empire Steve? Boogie Down. You're up 22K. You're up 2,200 in your Top Step 50K, a funded account. Is it a funded account? Sounds like it. What up, Mo? Yeah. Yeah, you know what's interesting about those new screens when you go to like the phone shops? They're not the Apple screens, but they're just as good. I've had to do that a couple of times. Not just for my kids' phones, but well, you got what you say? You got 2 days? I don't know. Just get 3 days of $200 or more and you're good to go. You know what I'm saying, bro? Do you have the screen protector on there? Yeah, that's fun. You know what though, Net Baba, Toxic Sage? I don't know if you have any kids, but you just know how it is, man. Doesn't matter how much money you're sitting on. It's just shit just adds up. Really, is this really happening to me again? Whatever. This account's up 2,000. I don't even fucking care. I was thinking we were going to keep going down, but there's nothing. I mean, we might just go sideways for the next fucking 46 minutes, 44 minutes. What up, Iron? Yo, did I see Einon on here before, bro? I think I saw Einon, bro. If you're still here, man, I'm sorry I missed you. I hope you're still on here. Oh my God. You got to be fucking kidding me, bro. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Of course, this would go up. We're doing like bullshit candle at the bullshit candle. I guess it was building up some sort of base. That's resistance. We'll see. We shall see. Yeah, I mean, yo, boogie down, bro. Just you know, take it easy the next couple of days. Like it makes sense. Like I get why you did it. Like you wanted to give yourself a nice little base. So now just, you know, maybe dial it back just a little or just keep going balls to the wall. But you know, that could go either way. What up, Pine Tree? La, la, la. No, it's just an eval. I fucked up my funded account. It's gone. It's actually, today, it's actually really nice. It's like in the 60s, I think. I'm wearing this long sleeve shirt, and I want to take it off. Put on like a t-shirt or something. It's hot. I'm like borderline sweating right now. I got like sweatpants on and this, and I'm Bowser. What up? Your grandson broke another phone? Tell your grandson's parents to get them a new screen. Passing props, gone. Gone. I suck. That shit's gone, Dream Chaser. I blew it. I suck. Sorry. Yep. What's up, Bach? It sure did. I will break the curse. Just like the Red Sox broke the curse. Just like the Cavaliers broke the curse. I will break the curse. It just wasn't going to be on that account. That's all. I don't know. Not for Alfred. Alfred keeps getting paid. Neil ESP keeps getting paid. Jamila got paid. Adrian got paid. You know, it's just, I got to make the adjustment. The Cubs broke the curse. That's right. Clover trades. Theo Epstein, man. Maybe I need Theo Epstein to trade my accounts for me. What do you think, Clover? Curse of the J Bambino. They all changed the way you trade. I had to adjust the way I traded with Apex. You know? It's going to happen. What's up, Bach? It will be glorious when it happens. It will be a fucking glorious day. Oh, look, I'm green in this trade. I wish it filled me here. Look, it came up to my order to fill me, and then it fucking didn't. I'd like to stay green. Fucking gross. What did it bounce off of? That's it. Clear this wick. Franny. Coach Franny blew your first Apex account, but you did it for the stream. Yeah, Alfred. Yep. That's what I'm saying, bro. I mean, I'd have to say for me, Apex is my main focus because I've had the most success with Apex. And I have a lot of funded accounts with them. Well, I had a lot. Now I have only 6 of the 10. Clear that wick. I'll lock it in, though. I'll lock this in right here. I'm already up a bunch anyway. Gary B's on the Take Profit Trader no pass list. Oh, my God. That's funny. But then you'll trade another prop firm and you're fine. It's just weird how that works, right? This stuff going on. Oh my God. Yes, I love getting taken out and then it drops down some more, but whatever. I added some to the account. There's psychological shit always going on in the background with these prop firms, you know, that we let get to us. So there's a psychological aspect with me and takeprofittrader. I think knowing that I could get paid potentially every single day. I don't even care about day one. I don't care about like getting over the buffer in one day. I'm more focused on the fact that I could get paid every single day. So maybe, I don't know. I don't know what it is. I will figure it out though. Oh, damn. Look who was right about the short. Look it up. Look at where we are now. I wish I would just, well, I couldn't hold with myfundedfutures. Look at that. Right, but at the wrong time, guys. Is that support right there? Story of my life. Right, but at the wrong time. Look at that. Of course it goes down another what? 5 points. Traded to black. What up? I don't know if there's any. I don't know if that's I don't know if that. I don't even think it matters. Honestly, I did okay today, Adam. Mixed bag. Mixed bag. I blew 5 funded accounts in today's trading session since, you know, starting yesterday. Four of them, if I had control over my emotions, it wouldn't have happened. One of them, I got bottom ticked, over leveraged. It happens. The other 4, the Apex accounts, like I was right there locking a pay. It was like I was so close to getting a payout on all 4 of those accounts. Like if I just held a little bit longer, 5 different fucking times, if I would have just held, I'd be telling you guys right now that I'm going to be requesting payouts times 4 after the market closes. But shit happens. It was an epic fucking dumpster fire of a job by me. I had traded to black. I had 8 denials in a row. And then I got approved 3 times in a row. So, you know, will I get denied again? Possibly. But I'm going to get approved again too. Very possible, Joseph. It's you know, my butthole tightens up when I take profit trader for whatever reason. I'll do good, right? I'll be building the account, and then all it takes is just one fuck up, and then you know, I don't know. I just got to get control of my psychology. I wanted to get filled here. That was the top of this little chop zone here. Be good, Scooby. Have I passed any challenges today, Mac? I did. I passed the Top Step challenge. So on Monday, I'll have a funded Top Step account, which is cool. Because I want to get I'm not yet. Well, some people, yeah. NetBaba, Toxic Sage, yeah. Some people for sure. I don't even care about the first day. I'm not trying to get over the buffer on the first day. I think part of the reason is I'm trading a little smaller. I think I should trade bigger because I think that's what I need to do. I need to take bigger shots at better spots so I could get grow the account in bigger increments. But that could backfire on me too. I don't know. I'll figure it out though. How do these funded accounts work? It's Kelvin. I do not have a video explaining that, but CT, I did nuke one, but I'm not buying I nuked this one during NFP. I was still up. And then sure enough, I got the move I wanted, but it was in the Top Step account. I'm not the resets are $50 again, I think. Let me double check. If the resets are $35, I'll grab them, but I think they're $50 now. I think they raised the price of the resets. I'm waiting. I'm not going to get any new account. I wanted to get new accounts at 90% off. And that day was the day I wanted to do it. My day was just literally packed with shit I had to take care of. And by the time I was like, oh, fuck, I got to get these accounts, it was still Tuesday for me, but the countdown had expired because I think it was based on East Coast time. I don't remember. It was fucked up. I was pissed. I wasn't mad at Apex. I was just mad that I didn't get any accounts. I wish I would have. 600. Let's see how much 600 is. Oh, I still have other. Interesting. I'm going to look to see how much to eat. I'm pretty sure they're $50 now. They've been $35 for like months. They've been $35 since like June, I think. But I think they raise it. They change the pricing. Yeah, they're $50 to reset. I'm not going to reset one right now. I'll just wait for that to rebuild at $33.40. It's actually the only one I have. And I don't want to pay $50 to reset that and blow it. It might not even, honestly, even if I were to reset it now, I don't even know if it would be ready in time. Well, I mean, dude, maybe I should ask you, bro. You're already up $2,200. I think the problem I run into with Top Step X is I should be just trading on Tradeovate. I don't know why I just don't trade on Tradeovate. It's very easy to add to a position on there for some reason. Yeah, I don't CT trading. Yeah, you're right, man. Macamille. So Kelvin, back to your question, my friend. So let's say all right. So let's say I have a brand new funded account. So it depends on the prop firm. So with a 50K myfundedfutures account, you need 5 days of $100 or more. And then you could get paid. You could request a payout. With Apex, you need to clear the buffer on a 50K, for example, of $2,600. And then you could request as much as no less than 500. With takeprofittrader, you need to clear the buffer, and then you can request anything over the buffer. They all have different rules. But you have to hit profit targets. And some of them have different rules. Top Step, you got to have 5 days of $200 or more. But you just keep trading. So you pass and then you keep trading. Oh, look at this thing go back down. Uh-oh. Rut-row. I want to make this lower. What a drop. We retested the high, the all-time high. We're down 30-something points. Per trade, Jason Quaraz. Day 5 on myfundedfutures, you're going to grow the account more, Bowser? See, like, you're a better trader than me, so you would survive something like that. Anytime, just about every time I've tried to grow the account bigger to get a bigger payout, I found a way to fuck it up. So now when I get there, I just request. Same thing happened with my Top Step account. Happened to me twice. It happened to me once with myfundedfutures. It happened to me once with Top Step. It happened to me a couple of times with Apex. I had this 25K. This is before the new rules. I had this 25K over 1,600. It was at like 1,689, which means I was in line. All I had to do was flip another day or two. I was in line to take 1,500 out. But I was so obsessed with the fact that I want to give myself more room. I want to give myself more of a cushion so that I could build the account back up after I get paid. I should have just focused on getting the $1,500 and worried about that shit after. Getting $1,500 then blowing the account's a lot better than getting nothing. And I ended up with nothing. Yeah. It's only 2 minis. I could work with 2 minis though. I'll add one. I'll take one off. I could work with 2 minis. F4 Market Edge. What up? Oh, I've gotten dinged for that rule a bunch of times, bro. A milli. They will if 30%, a milli. If 30 days comes, they will rebill. Stock, cards, and bets. Yeah. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These were all literally 3 of the 4 were over 2,600, and I just needed another little bit to push the other one over. And 5 different times I had. I'm so glad I get to explain this 100 times through the stream because it's just I get to relive it. This is why I was streaming too during the overnight. 5 different times, all I had to do was hold a little bit longer, and I would have gotten my fill, and I'd be telling you guys a different story. But shit happens. I was due for something like this. Does it reset when they rebill you? No, you pay the rebill fee to keep the account going. If the account's blown and it resets, I mean, if the account's blown, like if you blew the eval, and then you get pinged for the subscription, it resets the account. You get a brand new one. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to be fucking with micros, Alfred. But for everybody else, Alfred knows what he's doing. Definitely not bad advice at all. But I don't fuck with micros. I hate micros. Mac, why? I mean, hold on a sec. My payout, my strategy is working just fine. Although I violated the new rules 8 times in a row. I requested as many payouts with Apex in 1 month than I did the entire year before that, leading up to that month. So my strategy that I employ in my trading works for me. So yeah, I'm not going to listen. It's no offense to anybody. I'm just going to do what I do. I like what I do. I've gotten paid $1,745 so far this month. Last month I got $3,809. The month before, I don't even know. It was like 4,000 or something like that. I don't fucking remember. Yeah, Alfred. Yeah, that works for you, Alfred. Right? Just because it works for you doesn't mean it's going to work for me. And just because whatever I do works for me doesn't mean it's going to work for anybody. Stock, cars, and bets, bro. You're acting like you've never blown 4 funded accounts in a day? Come on, son. It sucks. It's embarrassing. You know what the worst part about it is? I did it while I was streaming. It was the fucking worst fucking epic fucking failure ever. It might have been my worst. 5 opportunities I had. All I had to do was hold a little longer. I was right. My take profit got hit 5 fucking times, but after I got taken out. And I'm not saying I'm this great trader. I'm not that good. There's 186 people on here. I would venture to say 130 of you are better than me. Maybe more. But, I'm getting better. Once in a while, shit like this is going to happen. It is what it is. All I know is this is a brand new funded account. It's up 250. Just going to keep growing that. I got 3 days in. This is my 3rd day of $100 or more with my funded futures. I need 2 more days of $100 or more. I'm basically back at square one with takeprofittrader. I got 3 accounts. I got 2 accounts over the max payout land, right? And I need 1 or 2 more days to trade those. to request 2,000 on each. This one I just got to grow. This one I need to get another what, $46 to get it to 2,000 to max payout land, and I probably got to trade it like 3 or 4 days. These two I already got paid on. This one I got paid on, so I'm working on second payouts with these. This one I got a long ways to go. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's the thing. That's why I don't copy every fucking account. If I copy traded every account, it could have went either way. I could have had days like this in every account, or I could have had a day like this in every account. That's why you never want to do them all at the same time. Yeah, Alfred, exactly. I could get four funded in a day, literally. But I'm not paying. I'm gonna wait for a better sale. Lavi Lev, yeah. It's definitely, man, there's definitely a lot of psychological things happening just from trading alone. And then you factor in rules that prop firms have and the whole idea of prop firms in general, you know, the whole concept behind it. There's a lot of psychological fuckery going on that we have to learn how to overcome. And some days we fucking slip. Some days we fucking fall short. Some people will never learn. It took me 7 months to get my first payout. So PK. So there you go, PK. You got to 70K though, but I'm sure it still sucked. I'm sure as you were blowing those accounts, you were like, Granny, no! Like you were getting fucking pissed, right? Yeah, right now, Al, Take Profit Trader is essentially free if you could get to the payout. If you could get to a payout with the current deal that Take Profit Trader is doing, the account is essentially free. You have to get to the payout though. Yeah, not a loss at all though. He was playing with he just got paid 70K and then he blew all those accounts. I guarantee you he was fucking ready to kill somebody. He was probably ready to kill. Exactly. Sick to your fucking stomach. Yup. And that's same here, bro. It wasn't 70K. It wasn't 70K, but I did just get $1,745 in the last week from Apex. And I'm still sick over this because there was potentially another $2,000 minimum that I fucked myself out of. I literally fucked myself out of it. I don't know, Market Edge. I'm not sure when it ends. They haven't said anything about it ending yet. It's still on. They haven't said anything about when it would possibly end. Let me see. I'm looking for the email right now. There's no end date yet. There's no end date yet. I just looked at the last email I got from them. If you're gonna grab an account though, use the coupon code ZERODAYJAY. It's the best code in the world, according to the prop firm streets, of course. What they're saying on the prop firm streets is that it's got the highest pass rate and the highest payout rate. I can't confirm that with actual data, but the DGen data tells me that's the case. Ain't that right, babe? I say it in my videos. The whole spiel. There it is. 40% off, $0 activation fee, 100% of your test fee refunded if you get to a payout or when. Take Profit Trader has probably the worst product. You just got to learn how to trade in their system. People are getting paid from Take Profit Trader. Plenty of people. Tradeify announces more changes. What are their changes? Rule changes? Trade iffy, I mean. Yeah, see? Micah, you know what PPDS is? You guys know what PPDS is? A lot of us suffer from that. And it's not the same thing as ED. Drop all the links? Let's drop all the links, baby. At Alfred's request. Apex Trader funding, 50% off. I'm waiting for, I want 80%. Give me back 80%. We need to make Apex sales great again. My funded futures, I don't even know what they got. 10% off milestones, 5% off evals. Trade day, 20% off. You can only have one funded account with Trade Day, guys, so just keep that in mind. And if you're going to grab a Trade Day account, if you guys are planning on grabbing a Trade Day account, use the same email address as your Rise account. Don't ask me why. Well, I'll tell you why. Because it set me back some time. I had to create a new account just so I could trade with them. Yeah, Lavi Lev, man. I don't have patience sometimes. And like the way the market's been moving lately, it's tough. One of the times I literally got top ticked. I was like literally like 6 or 7 ticks away last night. Or this morning, should I say, 6 or 7 ticks away from getting filled and having it, and then it fucking literally bounced in 2 candles, and it took me out at the very top, and then went back down and would have hit it. But I lost like $200 or $300 on that trade. It was so fucked up. I think that was the last one, and that's when I started getting pissed. And then I put a long order in, and that's when we finally hit the bottom and bounced. I put this long order in that if I would have just not canceled it and just let it ride, I would have had it there, and I fucking canceled it instead. And it ran up. 48.50 was the long order. It ran up to like 85. How fucking stupid am I? Yeah, Al's gotten payouts. It's crazy, yeah. It's doable. It's doable. Where are the so the prop firm streets, some PO box and some supermarket. What apparently it's the same supermarket. I think they're joking about Fast Track. It just happened to be in the same shopping center as oh fuck, I just got filled. I forgot about that. It just happened to be in the same shopping center that Robert Kraft was getting rub and tugs. The 90-year-old owner of the Patriots, or however old he is. What are the chances of that? That's what somebody said. Fucking funny. What up, Imran? You've blown all your take profit traders on day one of being funded, and they want 1,100 to reset. Why would you? Yeah, that's how much they cost. Don't pay the reset. Is it the 50? What size? 1,100? What size is that? The 100K? I know the 50Ks are 649, and the 150Ks are 1,500. I wouldn't do that unless you got the money like that, and like you don't care about dropping the money on it. But it'll probably cost you less money to grab some new evals, especially with the best coupon code ZERODAYJAY, and just pass them. But you're just going to lose the time. You got to sit on them for another 5 days. You know what I mean? 1,100 is crazy. But that's what, if you want to reset a funded account, it's going to cost you. Some people are super profitable with Take Profit Trader where they've made tens of thousands of dollars. And if that happens, it's like, whatever, I'll just use the house money, Hey, I'm up $80. Hey, let's lock some gains in. Fuck it. It's going to take me out and then go up another 10 points. We know how this fucking game plays, but whatever. I'll take it. It's probably going to come up, up to here, if it even makes it that far. If not there, it's going to come up to here or here, but I'll just keep moving my stop up. Yeah, PK got paid. PK got paid. I'm trying to figure out how to say your entire name. Pikemilong. Pikemilong. I don't know. I'll just call you PK, bro, because I butcher people's names all the time. PK got paid $6,800 from Take Profit. Yeah, 5 days. You have 5 days. You know what? I wish I had 1 day because I would have passed it already. If I had 1 day, it would have been done. But you don't have 1 day. Damn, that was resistance? It just fucking resisted off of that? Fucking lame. Maybe it keeps going up. All right, well, whatever. I just got another $70. Canceling all my orders. $70 makes them holla. Lavi Lev. Maybe someone else will take that advice, but I don't, I trade the way I'm going to trade. I appreciate you, man, for trying to help. Don't think that because, like, I've been on a tear. I've been on such a tear. This is just temporary bullshit. You bouncing, Alfred? Be good, man, Mr. 40-year-old. How was your birthday, by the way? Tradeify wants 9K target. Is that the new rule? 5K daily drawdown and 9K target. What was it? What was it before? No, I get it, Lavi Lev. You're trying to help. I'm good, though, man. My strategy is my strategy. No doubt, Alfred. Yeah, I am planning on getting more Apex, Evan. I'm just waiting. I don't want to get it at 50% off. I'm hoping that they do at least 80% soon. 6K daily loss limit. What was it before? You guys know what it was before? Well, I guess I could look at the site. Yeah, I want to do stock, cars, and bets. I wanted to also, and I just ran. I didn't give myself enough time to. I was literally running around all day on Tuesday, and I wanted to do it, and I missed out. Hopefully they bring it back. Boogie Down, am I planning a course? Yeah, I'm writing a book right now. How to guess your way to habitual payouts. A memoir. I'm writing a memoir, guys. Yeah, I don't even look at the micros, Lavi. The only time I'll trade micros is when I'm like down to my last little bit of bucks. Or when I request a payout with myfundedfutures and I give myself a little bit of I leave myself a little bit of money to see if I can build it back up with micros. Other than that, I don't fuck with micros. You just reactivated your blown evals for $50? Yeah, man, I'm waiting. It was 5K. 5K was what? Was the drawdown? Or was that the profit target? I don't know which one you guys are talking about. I just see numbers floating around in the chat. Top Steps has a yeah. He was the original coach, Jay. He's an actual coach. I mean, I was a coach too. I coached my son's soccer team and I assisted a bunch of times. But yeah, I was the head coach for my son's soccer team back on Long Island the year before a bunch of those kids made it to the travel team. I'm the reason they made it to the travel team, of course, right? No, it just worked out that way. None of the other parents wanted to step up, so I got volunteered to do it. Tick Ripper Trading, what up? Do I think Apex looks for a reason to not pay out? Well, they look for violations. You know what I mean? They look for a violation. If you violate the rules, then they're not going to pay you. You know? But I don't think they intentionally go out of their way to not pay people. I gotta zap this fly. All right, so the new is 7,500. The new 7,500 on a 150K account. Is that good? That sounds good. 7,500 drawdown sounds good. Oh, that's fucked up. Look, I got taken out, and look, it always does this to me. Always. It's just something I got to learn to fucking manage. It went up another 3 or 4 points, but whatever. The market's fucking, it's over. Again, I grew this a little bit more. I got this one here for 85. I got this one for 70, whatever. Mo, I tried to get it. I'm actually better with the towel, but this thing gives me more satisfaction. You push the button, you see the light, it zaps the shit out of them. It's fucking awesome when you get them because you hear bat. Oh man, I'll see that fly. I'll see you, and I'll leave it there on the floor for its friends to see. Yeah, Tick. Yeah, dude. Like I went on a little bit of a tirade a couple of weeks ago, like during the stretch where I just kept getting fucking $5.90 time lifetime. Joseph, $5.99 lifetime access. But if you put in the code ZERODAYJay, it's going to be $1. But you know, I was pissed because if it was the original rule set, if it was the previous rule set, I would have gotten paid. I would have made like 20 grand last month, and I didn't. I only made like 3,800 because of the new rules. So, you know, I was super fucking annoyed about that. And I wear my emotions on a sleeve, and I kind of just fucking went off about it. But I got it out of my system. I'm over it. The whole time while I was fucking pissed, I was saying, I'm just going to keep pushing forward no matter what, despite what people were telling me to do. Like, walk away, Jay. It's not even worth it. You're never going to get paid again. Yeah, okay. Well, I got paid 3 fucking times already. I just had to make some adjustments. Oh, did I answer what my general strategy is living the grumpy life? I guess my way in and I guess my way out. What was that? Ooh, we're dumping. Algo candle. Rich Wally, you're just coming in. I blew 4 accounts. It happens. They were all over. They were all 3 of them were over. All I had to do was hold 5 different times. All I had to do was hold. And I would have gotten my take profit, but I fucked up. I fumbled the bag. It happens. It's so funny when people come in and like, holy shit, Jay, what the fuck? What happened? Then I got to explain it. I got to explain it 30 fucking times because new people come in. I mean, I don't have to explain it, but I don't mind. That's what I'm here for. Trusty Tran, it's the best strategy. I have the best strategy on all of YouTube. No, but all seriousness, grumpy life. I'm a scalper and I'm a directional trader. So I like to play change of direction, bounces, reversal, bounces and reversals at key levels. I love playing the bottom orb. I love playing the orb in general, top and bottom orb bounces and rejections, the VWAP, pivot points, certain moving averages on the 1 minute, but also lately I've been noticing, I just been seeing the charts really well. And there's these chop zones. You see all these chop zones? All this shit right here. All this shit. All this shit. These would be considered, I guess, RSI zones, or like on Smart Money Concepts. There's an app called, there's an indicator called Smart Money Concepts by Lux Algo. Like this right here would be a blue zone. And these areas of support and resistance. So I've been playing these a lot lately. And it's been fucking really good. So that's basically my strategy. Change of direction, Support and resistance zones. And that's all like the top orb and bottom orb are. They're just support and resistance zones anyway. Zayback. What? So what happened? Oh, 7,500 drawdown is like fast track? Oh, because they're making it easier for people to get paid. Are they letting you guys have 40 accounts? Yeah, Rich Walla, bro, it's gonna happen. Like, you can't reasonably expect to be green every single day, all of the time, across all of your accounts. It's just hard, man. Shit's gonna happen. One day you're gonna wake up, dude, and I'm sure it's happening already, Rich Walla, and everybody else who's wondering. I was on a tear. I'll be fine. Like, I'm okay. Like, I still was green. Look, all of these are green. These are all like, these three are in really good shape. These two are getting close to being paid again. I got paid on these already. I got paid on this one already. Like, I'll be okay. I fucked up my Take Profit Trader funded account. It's gone. I'm on day 3 of my funded futures account. I got 3 days locked of $100 or more with my funded futures. I need 2 more. And then I get paid again by them. I just got paid $1,745 from Apex in 3 payouts in the last week. I passed the Top Step combine. So I'm going to have a funded Top Step account on Monday or Sunday night. What else did I do? I got my trade day funded account. I finally got this thing going. I finally started trading it. On my first day, I got $251. So, like, it's not the end of the world. This shit like this is going to happen. You can't expect yourself to be green every single day all the time. The one thing you got to work on, and something I'm working on, is not letting myself lose control. And I let myself lose control. And I've been talking about this. It's been happening less often, but it still happens. And it's going to happen to all of us. We're not robots, guys. We're not fucking robots. Anything for a tick. Jamie, you blew your Take Profit Trader 50K account. Is it an eval or funded? I blew a 50K also. Yeah, Trusty Tran. It's the best strategy in all of the internet. I have the best strategy on the prop firm streets. Your wife called and wouldn't shut up. That's funny. You should have told her, like, babe, I'm hanging out with ZERODAYJay. I can't talk right now, sweetheart. Pommy, have I heard of Futures Funded Family? Can you guys tell Pommy what's going on with Futures Funded Futures Family, whatever the fuck they call themselves? I'm staying away from that one. Is it Jonathan Trentwell if he had robot ears? Yeah. Oh man. 7 max accounts are trade iffy. My bad. Oh, funded hit the daily. Yeah, that's the problem with the 50Ks, bro. I'll fuck around with a 50K every once in a while, but man, they're tough, bro. You could be cruising along and then growing the account, and then one day it just a few 3 or 4 bad trades go, a few bad trades, and all of a sudden you hit that shit, or one bad trade. What up, Trader Slava? My day's mixed bag. But whatever, it happens. Can't be green across the board every day. So did I, bro. Me too. We're going to be XFA brothers on Sunday night. We're going to be XFA brethren, XFA cousins. Great job. Yeah, anybody want to tell Pommy what happened to Funded Futures Family? Zayback, I'm with you, bro. I have a nice set I get to admire. Rich Walla, I mean, just because you have 21 green days in a row doesn't mean you're automatically going to have 21 red days. But those days are going to come. You know, you can't worry about that shit, man. Just keep Keep working your accounts. Get some payouts. You're gonna blow accounts. You're gonna have bad days. We're all gonna have bad days. Not everybody is fucking perfect every day. Yeah, Anna, I would love the extra. I would love the extra 50 minutes. Yeah, just ain't right. That. You know, I'm not going near that shit. And I heard that dude Jay Dunn is, you know, he's not like Danny Trades. And I'm sure Danny Trades is a cool dude, I guess. You know, I don't know him personally. He obviously has a big following. People like him, but you kind of got to, you know, if you're going to be the CEO or a co-founder of a prop firm or any business where you're out there, you got to handle yourself a certain way. I don't know. Wasn't he around when Scott fucked up like that? That was like the beginning of the end for Fast Track. Although a lot of people didn't care, surprisingly. All they cared about was, well, they're paying their traders. That's all I care about. Well, whatever. Mikey, that's a good job, though. Caleb, Danny like hurled a racial slur towards Asians and then doubled down on it by making making a video about it and then doing it again, basically. Basically didn't give a fuck. Said, yeah, I did it, and what? You know, I mean, whatever. That's what you want to do, that's fine, but you got, you know, people giving you their hard-earned money. You got to conduct yourself a certain way, man. That's all. I don't know him personally. I'm sure he's cool or whatever. People like him. I don't have anything against him. I don't care. That's just what happened. Yeah. They pay out, though. Yeah. They said Empire Steve, bro. They said the same thing about fucking Fast Track. Remember? Yeah, Andy's. Exactly, bro. So if that... Benny, yeah. I mean, whatever. I mean, some people will take offense to it. Especially the group of people that they said it to. I don't know, like if you guys are old, like if you guys are boys and you're joking around and whatever, that's how you guys like to make fun of each other. That's a different story. But when you just make blanket statements like that, I don't know. It's probably not a good idea. Yeah, exactly, Benny. All that is great. Yeah, exactly. Empire. Now you're running a fucking prop firm. Now you're running a prop firm. You know, now you're running a business. And you're in the public eye. You got to act a certain way. Yeah, I've heard good things about him trading-wise, right? But that's like something like that is it could damage your brand. And you know me, guys, I don't fuck with new prop firms. I don't care how much they're paying people. Profit Trade was paying everybody on time and fast, remember? Now they're sending out emails saying we're experiencing delays in payouts. Thank you for being understanding. But we will pay you. I promise we won't rug pull you. You know, so I don't care how much they're paying people. Keith, I'm what up, Keith? I'm good, bro. Nobody's fucking with me. Nobody's fucking with me. They just come in and see it and they're like, oh fuck, Jay. You know, because they feel for me. They're not coming at me like, oh, you fucking suck, Jay. It was just more like, oh fuck, Jay, because they saw me like every other day. Just about every day lately, I've been green across all my Apex accounts, growing them like a boss. So the last thing they were expecting to see was me blowing fucking 4 funded accounts that were right fucking there. Empire Steve, big oof. Josh, what up, Josh? Oh, they lowered drawdown? I thought they raised it. I'm so confused. Whatever. I don't care. I don't fucking trade iffy either. And I'm sure, like, and I've heard, like, I watched Joey Morgan put out a video about that whole situation, and he was talking about Danny, then he was talking about his partner, Jay Dunn, and he's, you know, Jay Dunn, he didn't say anything. He didn't have anything bad to say about Danny either. He just said Danny kind of fucked up, you know? And then, Jay Dunn kind of just keeps, Jay Dunn's not very out there like that. Be good, F4. Be good, man. DGen futures trading. I took some trades. I fucked up my funded account. It's gone. Found a way to fuck it up. It is very hard to be green every day, Keith. I was, I'll get back to my green all across the board ways, but it's not going to be all the time. There's no way. You can't. It's unreasonable to expect that of yourself. It's just how this went about being fucking this happening. How this happened was just awful, 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 awful. What up, trading with Travis? Yeah. Yeah. Well, people used to come here to hang out with me because I was a bad trader. And coming and watching me trade live would make them feel better about themselves. Yeah, especially with takeprofittrader. It's tough, man. What up, Travis? Chilling. I blew your account, bro. It's gone. I'm sorry, man. I let you down. It's gone, bro. I got bottom ticked twice yesterday. Before the market closed and when the market opened. And it was enough to fucking finish it off. Well, that's his last name. I mean, that's what his last name is. I think. Maybe it's short. Maybe it's like a longer last name, but that's his public persona name. Be good, Mac. Every firm is changing their rules. It's all about sustainability. That's the term. Sustainability meaning staying in business. Keith. I have no idea, bro. I have no idea. Anyway, I think I'm going to run, guys. Yeah, I can't talk about any of this stuff on the stream. I got to be careful. Yeah, Josh, I think, what happens when you get close? The butthole tightens up, bro. That's what it is, man. I don't know what it is with takeprofittrader. I'm going to crack the code, though. If all these other people that I know are getting paid, then I could get paid too, and so can you. I do need a nap. What do I say? What do I think about TopStep saying they care about their traders? What do you think I think? Be good, PK. They care so much about their traders that they lose on purpose, and it appears that they lose on purpose in their live account every single day. How much was it down today? Stock cards and bets. Just pass on. The same people. People told me the same thing about Apex. Just walk away. You're never going to get approved again. And I got paid I just got $1,745 in the last week. I'm not worried. It's just part of my journey. It'll be so amazing when I might bust a nut when I get to my first ever payout. I might be like Dave Chappelle when he saw the big brick of weed and half baked. I might be like, Yup, trading with Travis. That's it, man. Every failure gets you closer to success. Just remember that. You can't succeed without failing. Every single failure gets you closer to success. A setback is nothing but a setup for a comeback. That's all. This is my path. It is what it is. It's just math, yo. We're just mathing. Remember, I blew, you know how many times I fucked up with Apex before I got my first ever payout? 7 months of failure. Lots of blown PAs. And now look, now I'm getting paid habitually. I'm a habitual payout receiver now with Apex and with my funded futures. Just going to add more prop firms to the list of people I get paid by. Yeah, well, if you feel that way, stock, cars, and bets, then for you, then you don't trade it, man. That's all. Other people want to trade it. They like the idea of the potential of getting paid every single day. Migs. Yeah, I wouldn't stay. Funded futures family is attractive now. No, yeah, exactly. I mean, yeah. If you don't care about the shit that Danny says, then go for it. But anyway, I got to run, guys. That's the best part about all this, guys. There's plenty of options. Nobody has to trade with any single prop firm. And if I were to tell you anything, don't keep all your eggs in any single prop firm's basket. But HR, thank you, sir. Thank you. Anyway, guys, I got to run. I got to make my update videos. It's been a pleasure. Oh, join the Discord, guys. I didn't even drop the Discord link in here once. It's free to join. It's where the DCA gang hangs out. It's the best Discord on the prop firm streets. What up, Jay Stores? Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much for hanging out. Hopefully by the time I hop on Sunday, I'll be in 1080p with either Streamlabs or OBS. I'm done with this restream shit. But yeah, it's been a pleasure, guys. As always, thank you for hanging out. Enjoy your weekend. I'll talk to you soon.